Hey guys, what's going on? So today is actually a pretty special day because this is something I've never tried before until today. And honestly, I am super impressed by this product right here. So this right here is the Rokid AR Joy Pack. This combination right here is one of the craziest experiences I had with technology in a long time, because AR technology is something I wanted to try for a very long time, and finally I'm able to try it. I also wanted to give a shout out to Rokid for sending me this because I've never tried this before, and again, this is one of the craziest things I've tried with technology in a really long time. So the very first thing I want to talk about is the unboxing experience with this product. This is one of the best unboxing experiences that you can get with the product. This is actually better than like most of Apple's unboxing experiences, especially with iPhones and iPads and stuff like that. For me personally, unboxing experience is very important, especially when you're buying something tech related, something that's high end. And this product right here is very high end. So I like to see that the unboxing experience is very clean and minimal and has everything it needs and doesn't have stuff that it doesn't need. So yeah, I just appreciate the time that they put in with these boxes and the unboxing experience for the customer, because again, that is very important when you're buying something tech related, very high end. So pretty much what these Rokid AR glasses do is provide a 360-inch display right on your face. So it's basically like having a movie theater connected to you in a small form factor of a pair of glasses. And that's literally what my girlfriend said when she tried them for the very first time, because I was super hyped about these and I wanted her to give them a try. And so yeah, that's the first thing that she said. She said, these things feel like a movie theater connected to your face, which is absolutely insane. And that is true. That's what it feels like. So with these glasses, they pretty much are an external monitor or just a monitor for whatever you can connect to it. These glasses, you can pretty much view any kind of content, TV shows, movies, and even games. You can game with these glasses right here. You can actually connect a system that provides 120 hertz of refresh rate. So basically it is buttery smooth when you play games with these glasses, which is kind of insane because that's usually found in very high like quality monitors and stuff like that. Like gaming monitors, 120 hertz is something that gamers want to look for. And with these glasses, that the fact that they have 120 hertz is absolutely insane, because you're pretty much getting the same exact viewing experience from a gaming monitor, but like you're in a movie theater playing games. But my favorite part about these glasses is that they have micro OLED displays on them. So basically it's like the same experience that you get on like an OLED TV. I'm a huge fan of OLED technology. I have a TV out in my living room that's a 77-inch OLED, and it's absolutely amazing. So with this pair of glasses, you get that same kind of OLED technology, which is just, again, absolutely insane, with something that you can carry in your pocket. And you might be saying, oh, that's so cool. There's so many cool features, but what if you have glasses? Okay, if you have glasses, they actually thought about this. They have adjusters on the top of the glasses. So if you have prescription glasses, you can adjust it to your liking, and you don't have to add any external lenses or anything like that. And for me personally, I don't wear glasses. I don't have a prescription or anything like that. But for a lot of people that wear glasses, that is very important with something that's AR or VR headset related. These glasses also do have speakers built into the glasses themselves. So you don't really need to get external speakers or headphones or anything like that to use these to listen to audio. But if you have a certain pair of headphones or earphones you want to connect to these, they are also compatible with Bluetooth, so you can connect them with your Bluetooth headphones and listen to them in privacy. These glasses also do have a brightness and volume adjuster. So basically right on the glasses themselves, you can adjust the brightness of the screen. So if you're watching, something late at night and it's super dark, you can adjust your brightness to the lowest setting. But if you're watching content or something during the day or outside even, you can adjust the brightness. And what's cool about these is they have 600 nits of peak brightness, which is honestly super bright for AR glasses. And like I said, you can watch this outside even, and you can see your content perfectly fine. Another adjustment that you can make with these glasses is it has an installation nose piece. So basically it has one built into the glasses already. There's another piece as well. You can adjust these on whatever fits the best for you, which I really do like, because people have different kind of faces, different kind of noses, different kinds of everything. So I really do like that you can customize it to make it the most comfortable for you. So yeah, with all those features built into these pair of glasses, these glasses only weigh 75 grams, which honestly feel like absolutely nothing. They just feel like a normal pair of glasses, but is basically adding a theater to your glasses, which it's just mind-blowing what these things can actually do. And the reason why these are only 75 grams is because there's no built-in battery with these glasses. Whatever you connect to these glasses is going to be powering the glasses itself. So basically, if you connect your phone, you can connect your phone to these glasses. Your phone is actually going to be powering these glasses itself, which is actually very useful, because you don't need to bring a charger for these at all. So yes, you can mirror your iPhone display on these glasses with a simple USB cable, and that's it. So basically, anything that you're viewing on your iPhone, you can view again with these glasses that provides a 360-inch display. So it feels like you're using your phone at a movie theater, using the huge screen as pretty much your phone, which is is just kind of funny, honestly. And another device you can connect these with is a computer. So for me personally, I edit videos. Obviously, I'm making this YouTube video. I also edit photos and stuff like that. And getting into a 360 display, I can get in super detailed and edit these photos and stuff like that and videos. And it's super, super helpful to have that big screen. But let's just say you don't have a system that you want to connect these glasses to. They actually have a Rokid station. And what this does, it's basically like a little computer that you can use to view different kinds of content like YouTube videos all the way from streaming platforms like Disney Plus and Hulu. Any kind of TV that you want to watch, it is on this little basically computer right here. So how this connects is a micro HDMI cable. You just plug it into the actual unit. And then the other end, of course, is the USB-C, and that connects into the glasses like this. And that's pretty much it. So this right here, this is all you have, and you can watch whatever kind of content that you want on the go. Look at that. This will literally fit in your pocket, normal pair of pants pocket, and you can have a full 360-inch display in your pocket. So with this Rokid station, the buttons and controls on this are very, very simple and easy to use, which is very important because with this thing, it literally took me like 10, 15 minutes to not even look at the controller and know what I'm pressing. And that's what I really do like about it, is that it's super simple and super easy to use. Not only that, but this thing does also have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery pack built into the actual system itself, which is very, very helpful because this provides 5 hours of continuous use on the actual product itself. And that's something that I really do like about it, is that you don't have to be connected to an outlet at all. You're pretty much on the go, and you can watch content pretty much wherever you are, which is very important because with a lot of AR glasses, especially like the Apple Vision Pro that's coming out later next year, you have to be connected to an outlet if you want to watch like a full movie. But with this right here, you can watch literally 2 full movies and not have to charge it, which is just crazy that the power can hold that much to view 2 movies back to back without charging it. And I forgot to mention, this is the world's first Google certified Android TV device. So basically it uses Google and Android TV. And something that I noticed just a few minutes after using the device is that's very smooth and it's not laggy or anything like that when you're navigating through apps and stuff like that on the actual unit itself. Like I said, I've never tried AR glasses before, never tried anything like that. And with this, trying it for the very first time, just the experience that I've had is absolutely insane. It's one of the coolest things that I've unboxed and reviewed on this channel ever. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this product right here, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you guys can check it out. I thoroughly recommend this, not because they sent it to me or anything like that, but because it's super, super interesting, especially if you haven't tried AR VR glasses. It's just kind of crazy how far technology is getting. And for you to have a 360-inch display in your pocket and view content pretty much from anywhere you want. Absolutely insane. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.